In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize an Instagram post designed to story size in Figma quickly and easily using a simple plugin workflow. This is a super useful trick if you already designed a post and now want to turn it into an Instagram story without rebuilding everything from scratch. It saves time, keeps your design consistent, and makes it much easier to create multiple versions of the same content for different social media formats. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and design tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and make sure your Instagram post design is ready on the canvas. This can be any square post, branded graphic, quote card, or promotional design that you want to convert into story format. The goal here is to use a plugin that can resize the frame for you automatically, so you do not have to manually guess dimensions or rebuild the layout by hand. Now go to Actions, then click on Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can install and access useful Figma plugins. If you do not already have the Thumblisher plugin installed, search for it and install it first. Once it is installed, you'll be able to use it anytime you need to resize social media designs faster. This is especially helpful for content creators, marketers, and designers who repurpose the same graphic across different platforms. Next, open plugins. You can do this by right-clicking anywhere on your canvas and going to plugins, or by using the main menu in Figma and navigating to the plugins section there. Once the plugin list opens, look for Thumblisher and run it. This will launch the resizing tool inside your Figma workspace. After Thumblisher opens, you'll want to generate the correct story size. Select Instagram from the available platform options and then choose the story option. This tells the plugin that you want a vertical Instagram story layout instead of a square post layout. The plugin will automatically create a correctly proportioned frame, which is usually much faster and more accurate than manually changing the canvas size yourself. Once the story frame is generated, you can move your existing design into the new layout and adjust it as needed. Check that your text is centered properly, make sure important elements are not too close to the edges, and confirm that your branding still looks balanced in the taller format. If anything feels too tight or too cropped, you can make small adjustments so your story design looks clean and professional. This is the part that really saves time. Instead of recreating the whole design from zero, you're simply adapting the original post into a story-sized version. That means you can keep your colors, typography, icons, and overall visual style consistent across formats. It's a very efficient way to build content for Instagram without slowing down your workflow. If you're creating social media graphics regularly, this is a workflow you definitely want to keep using. It helps you move faster, stay organized, and produce more content in less time. And if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical design tutorials just like this one. So to recap, install the Thumblisher plugin from Actions, open plugins from the right-click menu or main menu, run Thumblisher, and then choose Instagram Story to generate the proper vertical size. That's it. Now you know how to resize an Instagram post design to story size in Figma the easy way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.